Hello friends, welcome to my channel Media Creation Club. Today I am here with the new video. I buy the one aquarium fish, so I am going to set up that one, how I fix and then how I build the all everything, and then pump or fresh air or what medicine I put inside the water to clean, and then what fish I put, then what food, all everything I'm going to show you in this video. Same like unboxing this video is a technical way, so I'm going to show you all everything. So hope this video is going to helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the latest updates. Go to our topic and then continue our video. So this one is aquarium. I am going to fix this one, how we can fix the pump, all everything, and then lights. After we can put the water, after water we put the fish, all everything we will do in this video. Let's start. Okay, this one we open ready. So this one is pump, as you can see, the air freshener and then filter, all everything got this pump. Then this one is LED light, this one is for the cleaning water, this one is fish food, later we fix. Then this one is filter for the dust or dirty whatever. So we start the fix first the pump we are going to fix here, then pipe put up. After the filter will all everything dust will take and then water throw down. So we fix the pump first. Okay. So this one is pump, as you can see. So I fix here in the corner. This one got sticky. This one for the fresh air, so we put here. So this one is filter for this one. So we cut the filter first about our size. LED light. This one got clips together LED, so we can put the clips, then hang anywhere. We can put also in the inside the water. This one is waterproof, but I'm not going to put inside the water. I'm going to put in the side. We just stick like that. You can see. So we put already the light testing. Now we put the water. Before we put the fish or whatever, we put the chlorine for the clean water. So we put the 2 caps as the shop told me. So I put the 2 cap of this one. Okay. We put ready chlorine 2 cap for the now we So we are going to put the one turtle. Okay, now we are going to put the fish. So as you can see, our fish also we put ready, turtle also we put ready. Their turtle is hiding with the water. I'm going to show. Okay, all they are going up. Now we are going to put the flowers. So friends, we done already, as you can see, but our turtle is hiding, is there in the corner. So as you can see, we put our fish also, flower also, as you can see. Now we are going to put the cover, all everything. So we already done. Okay friends, so hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the latest updates. See you in the next video with the latest updates. Thank you so much.